Hi, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe our page below so you can stay in the know of all things estate planning. So let's talk today about how to make your inheritance last. Receiving inheritance, whether it's large or small, often comes with a wide range of emotions, from the grief of losing a loved one to the hope and excitement about the possibilities the inheritance may create. According to Northwestern Mutual's 2025 Planning in Progress study, over half, 57% of Americans who expect to receive an inheritance view it as critical to their long-term financial security. Despite this high reliance, many people lack adequate preparation or guidance to effectively manage inherited funds. If you're about to receive an inheritance, there are several steps that you can take to ensure that your funds will last longer than a few years. So you want to first avoid making any hasty decisions. The initial mix of excitement and grief when receiving an inheritance can lead to impulsive financial decisions. One of the most important steps you can take is to resist the urge to immediately make significant decisions. Instead, you want to follow some best practices. First, you want to secure your inheritance. Before anything else, transfer the inheritance to a secure account, such as a high yield savings account, a money market account, or a short term CD until you've had enough time to put together a long term financial plan. You also want to build your emergency fund. If you do not already have one, consider establishing an emergency fund that will cover at least 6 months or whatever amount of time feels right to you of essential living expenses. If you already have an emergency fund, consider adding it to cover for a whole year. If married, you want to decide whether to keep your inheritance in your sole name. If you're married, you'll need to decide early on whether you want to keep the inheritance in your separate name or place the funds in an account that you jointly own with your spouse. This decision has significant legal and financial implications, particularly in the event of a divorce or if one spouse has outstanding debts. Consulting with an attorney on this point is highly recommended. You want to understand gifting implications. If you're considering giving a portion of your inheritance to your children, other loved ones, or a charity, get professional advice before you proceed. Certain gifts above the annual exclusion amount may lead to gift tax liability or reporting requirements. You want to invest in your future and prioritize retirement and debt. For many, an inheritance presents an opportunity to significantly boost long term financial security. You want to maximize your retirement savings. If you're still working, consider increasing your contribution to your retirement account, especially if you're not currently contributing enough to receive your employer's match. If your employer does not offer a retirement plan, or even if they do, opening and fully funding an individual retirement account each year can be a smart move due to its tax advantages and compounding growth potential. You want to strategically manage your inherited retirement account. If you've inherited a traditional IRA or 401k, understanding the rules is critical to minimizing taxes. Under current law, most non spouse beneficiaries are subject to the 10-year rule, which requires that the entire amount in the account be withdrawn within 10 years following the original owner's death, potentially leading to significant income tax consequences. However, spouses often have more flexible options, including rolling the inherited IRA into their own IRA, called the spousal rollover. Professional guidance is essential to navigating these complex rules and optimizing your inheritance. You also want to eliminate high interest debt. Before making new investments, consider using a portion of your inheritance to pay off high interest consumer debts, such as credit cards or personal loans. Eliminating these high interest payments can often provide a bigger benefit than potential investment gains. You want to hire a team of professional advisors. Navigating a significant inheritance can be complex, and trying to do it alone can easily lead to missteps. Building a team of professional advisors is crucial for developing a comprehensive, long term strategy that protects and grows your newfound wealth. These professionals can work collaboratively to ensure that all aspects of your financial picture are addressed. You want to have a financial advisor. Your financial advisor will be your go-to for managing your finances, assisting you with analyzing your current financial situation and establishing a solid financial foundation. They can help develop an investment strategy tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. They can help you manage your credit and your debt. And they can help you plan for specific goals such as saving for college, buying a home, or planning for retirement, and looking into charitable giving options. You also want to make sure you have a good insurance agent. Your insurance agent will play a crucial role in ensuring that you, your loved ones, and your property are properly insured. They can review your existing coverage and advise you on essential insurance needs, life, long-term care, and liability to help safeguard your financial future. You want to have an accountant or tax professional. A knowledgeable tax professional will help you understand the tax implications of your inheritance. For example, a stepped up in basis rules for capital gains. They can help optimize cash flow and minimize income taxes wherever possible, and navigate the tax consequences of any gifting that you plan to do. You also want to have an estate planning attorney. An estate planning attorney will help you ensure that your own legacy is secure. By creating or updating your own estate plan, everyone needs a will or a trust, medical powers of attorney, advance directives, and durable financial powers of attorney. They can help you develop strategies to decrease or eliminate potential federal or state estate taxes based on what you currently own. Can help you structure gifting strategies to achieve your charitable goals and pass on your values to the next generation. And it can help you implement strategies to protect your inheritance, as well as your other accounts and property from potential creditors, predators, and future lawsuits. An inheritance, regardless of its size, presents a significant opportunity. With careful planning and the right professional support, it has the potential to provide lasting financial security for you and future generations. Do not leave this important financial event to chance. You want to work with a firm that's dedicated to helping individuals like you navigate the complexities of receiving, growing, donating, protecting, and ultimately passing your inheritance on to your loved ones. So contact your local qualified estate planning attorney, have a consultation with them so that you can discuss with them how you can make the most out of your inheritance. So I want to thank you for watching. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law. Please like and subscribe our page below, like I mentioned in the beginning, to make sure that you get notified of all of our videos that drop to help you better understand estate planning and the benefits it has. Till next time, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law.